More news coming in. There is no stay on the NEET UG counselling from the Delhi High Court. NTA has told the Delhi High Court they will file transfer petitions if a Supreme Court to transfer all the cases before different High Court to Supreme Court of India. NTA says these petitions are filed before different High Courts in three broad categories, including one, the complaints of paper leak, grace marks and anomalies regarding answers to some question, discrepancies there as well. High Court has granted time to NTA to file a reply. High Court is going to hear this matter next on the 5th of July. Shrishti Ojha is getting asked more details. Shrishti, break this down for us. There is no say on the counselling though, and the time that has been given in fact to the NTA to reply to the High Court is on the 5th of July. 5th of July is when this matter comes up again.
Well, yes, Neha, a batch of petitions were filed before Delhi High Court raising certain questions about how NEET UG was conducted and also alleging malpractices and irregularities as far as the results are concerned. Now, today before the High Court, the petitioner argued that the High Court should seek a reply from the NTA and also impose a stay on the counselling for now. However, big statement is coming from the National Testing Agency. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for NTA today, told court that they will file transfer petition before Supreme Court seeking to consolidate and transfer all the petitions related to NEET UG which are pending before different high courts before the Supreme Court. They are in the process. In fact, they're likely to file these petitions tomorrow, considering that some time be given to NTA. So formal notice has been issued to NTA as of now by the High Court, and in the meantime, the NTA can move the Supreme Court with the transfer petitions. Now, NTA has said that the petitions before different High Courts have been filed under three broad categories that would include, firstly, the issue of paper leakage, secondly, grace or compensatory marks which have been granted, and thirdly, some anomalies regarding certain answers to some of the questions. Considering all these issues are pending before different High Courts, to avoid any confusion, NTA wants that the Supreme Court should hear all these cases and they will be moving Supreme Court seeking transfer of all these cases from the High Court before the Supreme Court. That will be an important development because we've seen this entire controversy alleging different irregularities as far as the NEET UG exam is concerned. The High Court as of now will hear the matter in July. Supreme Court had also yesterday refused to stay.
We'll talk to you about that as well, Shrishti. In fact, we have more news and these are details in connection with this entire controversy. NTA to move Supreme Court over NEET controversy. NTA to ask the Supreme Court to transfer all cases related to NEET before Supreme Court. Yes, this is a logistical problem as well, given that it affects students, Shrishti, not just in one part of the country, but all over the country. And that's the reason why the NTA said different matters related to NEET pending across courts in India, and best that the Supreme Court hears this entire matter.
Well, yes, definitely. That's exactly what NTA's counsel also today told Delhi High Court, that even though the petitions before High Court, Delhi High Court may be different from those pending before different High Courts, the basic issue concerning is the NEET UG exam and the irregularities and the malpractices which are being alleged against the NTA, and also different issues regarding answer to certain questions, etc. So considering similar issues are pending before different High Courts, to avoid any confusion, they would want that the Supreme Court itself decides this case, because petitions are also pending not just before the High Court, before the Supreme Court. The top court has heard the matter, refused to grant any stay on the counselling for now, also issued notice to the NTA and sought a reply from the National Testing Agency. So considering the Supreme Court has already has taken cognizance of the matter, has petitions pending before itself, and has also sought a reply from the NTA, the NTA would want that transfer petitions are filed, and all these matters are heard by the top court itself to avoid any confusion. Three broad categories is what they've indicated, including anomalies with regard to certain answers to questions, paper leakage issues, and also the grace mark issues which have been highlighted by many students and even in petitions before the Supreme Court. So the SG Tushar Mehta also told court that some more petitions are likely to be filed as far as their instructions are concerned on the same issue. So it would be in best interest that Supreme Court hears these matters. Back to you.
All right, thanking you, Shrishti Ojha, getting us up to speed with those developments as far as the controversy over NEET exams there is concerned.